got a little bit of an interesting job here. The guy, we put this manual transmission on this Blazer, and he wants a beer tap shifter on it. The beer tap itself is already threaded, so I got myself a bolt here that threads right into that. Now to connect it with the shifter, I found out this lug nut here. It's off of a Blazer, of course, and it's the same thread pitch that goes onto the shifter. So I'm going to make an adapter so I can put this beer tap on, so he has this as a shifter. Like this, that threads into the beer tap, and this part here that threads onto the shifter, and I actually weld it like this, so I can thread this back onto the shifter end, and then I can thread the beer tap onto that. So all said and done, it should work pretty well. Okay, now we're at the point where we're ready to put in this shifter. As you can see, I got the end on here and the lug nut ends on that end, but I'm going to do a jam nut style. I mean, although it's a little ugly looking, all this is going to be covered by a boot anyway, so I didn't really worry about grinding it all down and painting it and all that fun stuff. Awesome shifter on. Those threads right on. Got that. I'm just going to run my jam nut up. Nice and tight. And there we go. Now we got a shifter in this vehicle.